Good morning, guys. We are going to do a recipe today for DoubleTree cookies. So this is the hotel, the DoubleTree. They give you a cookie every time you check in, and so this is their recipe. It is a chocolate chip oatmeal walnut cookie. Absolutely delicious. Best thing to me is a warm chocolate chip cookie, and so every time you go in and you check in, they do give them to you warm, and so that is like a dream come true for me. So we're going to go ahead and get started on that recipe. So we are going to start off with a cup of butter. So we have 2 sticks softened. So I took this out a good bit earlier, and it's just been sitting at room temperature. Okay, so that way it's going to mix in really well. Okay, I have 3/4 cup of brown sugar. And I also have 3/4 cup of regular white sugar, and then it's going to be 3/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon. Okay. So that is going into my KitchenAid mixer, and I'm going to let this go and mix together for about 2 minutes. So this is mixed together for about 2 minutes. So now what I'm going to do, I have 2 eggs that I've cracked into a bowl. I am going to add those in. I am also going to add in 1 and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and then 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice. Okay, and so I'm just going to mix this on low just to mix it together, about 20-30 seconds, and then I'm going to bump it up to medium speed and make sure I scrape the sides of the bowl, because sometimes it does push up and it doesn't all get mixed in, and then we'll move on to the next step. So this has been mixing for a little bit. So go ahead and scrape the sides, pull everything back down into the center of the bowl. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to add, turn it on low, and then we're slowly going to add in 2 1/4 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of rolled oats, so this is going to be our oatmeal part of it, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, we are not going to over mix it, because then that makes the cookies really tough. And then after that, we just have, one more thing that we have to add to this is a little dash of cinnamon. Okay, so this is what we're going to add, the last thing that we're going to add in. Once this is done, we fold in the chocolate chips, we fold in walnuts, and then bake them. That's it. So that is all mixed together. Let me get all of this off the paddle, and I will show you what our mixture looks like. Alright guys, so this is our cookie dough so far. So we are going to add in 1 3/4 cup of chopped walnuts, and then 2 and 2 2/3 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. So if you use your jumbo, This is what they had at Kroger the other day whenever I did my click list. But it was the whole entire bag. So I'm going to add all of those in. And then we are just going to fold them in. Okay? So we're not going to over mix it again. Okay? Because they get really tough. We just want to make sure that those chocolate chips and walnuts are distributed evenly throughout the dough. Alright, so guys, now what we are going to do is we are going to put this onto our baking sheet. This is going to make, I think the other day whenever I made them, I made about 20 cookies. And so what I did take a little kind of mini ice cream scoop and use that to put my cookies onto my pan. That way they're all kind of even. They're not, unequally sized. They're going to cook a little bit faster for this cookie, a little bit less for this cookie. So I have my pan and my ice cream scoop, so that's what I'm going to do. And then after that, they bake for 20 to 25 minutes, excuse me, at 300. That's not our typical cookie temperature. Usually it's about 350. So temperature's down a little bit more, but we cook them longer, okay? So I will show you our finished product in just a little bit. Hey guys, so cookies are have been cooling on the cooling rack for just a little bit. I do leave them on the pan and then put them onto the cooling rack, just slide the parchment paper off. That way they can carry over cook a little bit. They set, and so this is our final cookie. These are my favorite cookie by far. There's not many cookies that can compare to a DoubleTree cookie to me. So I will post a link to this recipe in the YouTube video. But once again, DoubleTree, this is their recipe that they use. My husband's already eaten some. I've already taken some to Miss Meadows and Mr. Capel this morning. Left them on their porch for them. Just so people would have a little treat during quarantine. I miss y'all. Hope you're doing well. Please be sure to send me pictures of what stuff you're cooking and making during quarantine, so I can post some stuff on our class Instagram. Okay? Bye, guys.